Hi, excuse me, is this the platform for the train to Central City?
Yes, it is. The train should arrive in about 10 minutes.
Thank you. I'm visiting for the first time and don't want to get lost.
No worries. Central City is a great place. Are you there for vacation?
Yes, just for a few days. Any place you recommend visiting?
Definitely visit the Old Town and the Riverside Market. Both are amazing.
Thanks. I'll check them out.
Enjoy your trip.
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Alex Thomas.
Welcome, Mr. Thomas. Let me check. Yes, we have your booking for 3 nights.
Great. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the dining area.
Perfect. Also, is there a map of the city available?
Of course, here you go. Let me mark a few popular spots for you.
Thank you so much. This is really helpful.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.